Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to extract a specific Windows edition from an install.wim file. So without further ado, let's get right into it. When dealing with Windows installation files, you might need to extract a specific edition from an install.wim file. This guide will walk you through the process, whether you're using an ISO file or a Windows USB drive. If you have an ISO file, mount it by right-clicking on it and selecting Mount. This will create a virtual drive with the contents of the ISO file. If you have Windows installation media, such as a Windows USB drive, connect it to the PC. Navigate to the Sources folder within the mounted ISO file or USB drive and find the install.wim file. If necessary, copy the install.wim file to a folder on your local drive, such as CWIM folder, or you can use the file directly from the source. Just make sure to adjust the path in the subsequent commands accordingly. Right-click on the Start menu and select Command Prompt, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin, or Windows Terminal, Admin. Run the following command to list the available Windows editions within the install.wim file. Replace fsources install.wim with the appropriate path to the install.wim file. This command will display a list of Windows editions along with their index numbers. Use the index number of the desired Windows edition to extract it. Run the following command. Replace index number with the appropriate index number. Source image file. Path to the install.wim file. Source index. Index number of the edition you want to extract. You can find this from the previous command. Destination image file. Path where you want to save the extracted install.wim file. Compress max. Compress the install.wim file to the maximum level. Check integrity. Ensures the integrity of the images. After the extraction process is complete, you should find the extracted install.wim file in the specified destination drive and folder, C, in this case. Note: if you want to use the Pro 11 install.wim directly, copy and paste it into the Sources folder inside the Windows installation media. Then delete the original install.esd or install.wim file. And don't forget to rename the extracted Pro 11 install.wim file to install.wim. By following these steps, you'll be able to extract the specific Windows edition you need from an install.wim file without any hassle. This can be particularly useful for creating custom installation media or managing multiple Windows editions efficiently. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.